You can't stop hiccups once they start. So, what happens if they kick to an F1 driver during a race? It sounds funny, but it's actually a nightmare. An F1 brake pedal is super sensitive. A violent hiccup makes your whole body jerk. We know body spasms are dangerous because we've seen drivers sneeze. Look at Sergio Perez. One sneeze almost made his hands yank the wheel at high speed. Now imagine that jerking motion happening every 3 seconds while trying to brake for a corner. You would lock up the tires and fly off the track. They literally have to hold their breath on the straights and pray the adrenaline stops it.